Participate in business continuity planning and exercises. Security professionals ensuring that the security of physical facilities, systems, and data is maintained during a crisis. Increasing physical security protection to prevent theft. Compensating controls to address missing separation of duties. Ensuring the safety of personnel. Business continuity, BC, planning and exercises steps are: plan for an unexpected scenario. Review your technologies. Build the communication plan and coordinate with external entities. Perform a business impact analysis, BIA, for technologies. Identify a budget and figure out which business processes are mission critical. Set the recovery time objective and recovery point objective. Develop a technology plan, review vendor support contracts, and create or review disaster recovery plans. Finalize who needs to be contacted, figure out primary and alternative contact methods, and ensure that everybody can work, possibly from a backup location. Communicate with external units such as the police department, government agencies, partner companies, and the community.